Yo, what's up guys, welcome to CodingBot. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Java JDK version to your Windows PC and how to install it and how to start working with Java. Right now I'm in the Google search engine. You can use whatever search engine you need and just type like Java JDK 11 download. If you need another version, type it and search it. Right, I'm now going to show you how to download and install Java JDK 11 version. You can go to this oracle.com official website, and now I'm going to download this Windows 64-bit version. You can find the version according to your operating system. Click on this, this one is perfect. Click on this link and you can view this window, accept it. If you need, you can read this agreements. Click on this download JDK button. After few seconds you will redirecting to oracle.com login page. Now you have to log in for your Oracle account. If you don't have any account in Oracle, you can create it by click on this create account button. Just fill this form and click on this create account button and you can simply create an account. Right, now I'm going to log in for my Oracle account. This is the username, maybe it is an email. Actually I am not remembering my password. What is my password? Yeah, it is my password in here. Click on this sign in button. Once the credentials are fine, you can see it is the downloading process has started in here. JDK 11. Wait until it is finishing and go to your download directory. Just double click on this icon or this .exe icon, exe file maybe. Click on next, click on next. Now you have to wait until the process is finishing. It may be taking up to 5 minutes according to your operating system or the computer specs. Now I'm going to skip from here because it is taking some time. Right, after few seconds you can see the successfully installed the Java JDK 11 version. Click on this close button. Now we have to go to the install directory, local disk C, program data. Go to your install directory, maybe it is another drive. Go to this directory and copy this path by pressing Ctrl C. Right, go to the search area and type like env, edit the system environment variable. Click on this. In this window you can see in the down environment variables button. Click on this, click on path and edit. Just click on new and edit in here. I'm going to edit it because I have added one of a version previously. You have to edit newly, right? Click on OK. Now go to the command prompt, Windows command prompt. Just open it and type like Java and just press enter. If you can see this bigger message, it is ensuring your installation is success. Let's check the version, Java -version. Just press enter. You can see Java version is 11.0.12. Right, thanks for watching guys. I think you got the idea. Make sure to subscribe for CodingBot and turn on the bell icon to get more updates in the future. I will meet you soon in the next video.